Hey everyone, it's Megan with the CraftyPlannerLovR here, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to be planning for July 7th through the 13th in my social media planner using leftovers from the Festivals kit by ReddHeadStickers and some of her deco. These are the summer cocktails and beach florals, and I thought they would go nicely with this kit. So I'm not even going to waste any time. We're going to jump into it because I am excited. I know you guys are excited. So we waste no time. All right. So let's begin with seeing, okay. I was going to say we're going to begin with seeing what kind of stickers we have. And I think I know what I want to do. Hold on. I'm going to lay some washi across the top and see if that will help me get unstuck. I think that did it, because we will put this right here. And the Instagram pods right next to it. I feel like that would probably be a good way to use these. Titles are next, and I'm gonna use these two because there's not any more of this color. And I want this section to be for uploads. So we'll hold off on doing something there. And we're gonna come over here and decorate this little area here, because this is where I put my Instagram or my Simply Sweetly Crafty posts for the week. I like to track those. I track the rest of my PRs in other places, but this is just where I've been tracking Simply Sweetly Crafty, and I like where I have been tracking everything, so that is what I've decided to do. And then I think I'm going to tie in the rest of this washi, this purple, by putting some more of these headers across the bottom of the spread. And I'm going to rip that last one. Cool. Right, now we have some events that are going on, and I need to make sure I put down the correct days. Now that I have the days down, I'm going to put in the important things. So, I'm trying to find a good sticker to use. Okay, so we've got the release. There is a release happening. So I need to put that here. You know what? I am not going to use this purple one yet. I just realized that I have 3 of these, and I have 3 things that need to be put on here. So that's what we're going to do. Okay, now that we have those events down, I think that's everything. I am going to be on vacation these days, so I guess we can put the van here since I'm not going to be here. And I want to add more of these. So we're going to do one here and one, well, I want to put one on Thursday, but everything hates me. There we go. And then this last box, I'm going to put up here. Don't quite know what I want to do with it, but I will figure that out later. Alright everyone, that is it for this week in my social media planner using the rest of the festivals kit and the summer cocktails deco sheet from ReddHeadStickers. If you want to save 15% off of your order, you can use my code Megan and you will also get my freebie. If you like this video and you want to see more, don't forget to hit that thumbs up, consider subscribing if you haven't already, and check out the description box for different playlists related to planners and non-planner content. Thank you guys so much for watching, and until next time, craft on. Bye guys!